Hi there, my name is Bernard Kwan, and I'm excited to introduce to you my new book on career. Most of life's discovery and life successes is based on making the right career choices. And this is what a lot of people struggle with. They just go with the flow, and at the end of the day, they struggle, unfortunately. I believe strongly that this is born out of lack of self-identity and also misdirection. In this book, I've taken my time to help you appreciate the fact that self-identity puts you in the right framework to choose the right career that reflects your intrinsic worth. I've also gone ahead to help you appreciate, especially the graduate, some of the tips that you need to learn to be able to increase your market value. Go on also to help parents to appreciate the fact that every career path needs to be properly planned for so that you will be able to achieve that kind of glorious future for your kid. I encourage this book for all students who are still in school. I encourage graduates to also lay hold on it. If you're a new employee and even if you're a parent, I encourage you to also get a copy of it so we can all begin to lead with meaningful career path in all of our life. Thank you very much.